Hey guys, we're back. I know we haven't uploaded in a while. But that's gonna change. It's gonna be back to regular uploading. Yep, it was a long 3 months without anything. Sorry guys. But yeah, we're back now, and
they were destroying this fan.
Yeah, this fan. Yeah, from Holmes. Now let's go choose our weapons. Okay, now we're gonna pick our weapons.
I'm gonna choose sledgehammer.
That's a nice option. Nice option. I'm gonna have to go. Banana peel. Banana peel.
I would have chosen the bat.
You would have chose the bat?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you're not me, so I chose the banana peel. I thought it would be a great weapon. Let's go choose our safety glasses. How about that?
Safety second.
Go ahead and pick. We got a nice selection over here.
I'm gonna choose these.
Nice, nice. Okay. I'm gonna go for Speed Boy goggles. You know, they yeah. Check that out if you haven't checked it out. Speed Boy. You know what? No, these don't even feel good on my face. I'm gonna go for the Ray-Ban ripoffs. IMAX. Okay. Let's destroy this, shall we?
Yeah.
Everything's in like 3D, dude. Okay.
Fan on.
Fan on. What'd you put it on?
The cord's kind of jammed.
Yeah, this thing is broken. Sorry guys, that's why we're destroying it. Okay, full blast.
Max speed. Max speed.
Max speed. All right, you ready, Luke? I'm going banana. Here comes banana. First strike, banana. No effect. No effect. Here, let me get in there with second toss. Second toss. Banana peel. Banana peel. Here. Yeah.
That was a hit.
That was a hit.
That was a hit.
We got any damage? I don't think we got any damage. Luke, how about you get the sledgehammer out?
Okay.
Okay. Let me just pick this up. What do you think we should do, Luke?
Well, to spice it up, I think we should add some flavor.
Oh yeah.
Some smoke bombs.
You know what? I have just that in my pocket. Smoke bomb.
And a lighter.
Yeah.
To light it.
Yes. Smoke equality.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god, the fan wasn't ready.
Okay,
right,
here we go.
we're ready.
Sorry for that, guys. Give it a swing, bud. Nice! That was a good solid first hit.
It burnt the tarp.
Okay guys, Luke broke it completely on that first hit. It doesn't work anymore. But you know what? I'm gonna get my baseball bat out. How about that?
Non-working is not enough.
Yeah.
I need it more.
It's not enough. That's why I got a baseball bat. Recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go, slow-mo hit with a baseball bat. Here we go.
That's good. That's
Yeah.
good.
Once you get a hit with the sledgehammer. All right, Luke's going with the sledge.
Pour this ball. Pour this little yellow ball.
What? Yeah, let's work on that little yellow ball. Yeah, hit that. Oh!
Oh my gosh. That's pretty strong.
That's a pretty sturdy ball.
Good.
Forget that.
All right.
Such hit. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, banana peel. Didn't even see that one coming. Oh. Oh.
There we go.
Oh. Oh, God. I can feel the vibration on the ground.
All right.
Destroyed. Here. Hold this, record me. You ready?
Ready for this?
Yeah! Oh my God! You know what?
Stay in the tarp.
The tarp? Forget it! Forget it! Ah! Where's the sledge?
Sledge.
Yeah! car. Forget it.
Not the tree.
Forget the tree. Look at this.
Ooh, the top. Warm.
You want this fan? You want it?
No.
It's $5.
$5. The ripoff. I'll give you 1 peso.
Yeah, sure, that's fine. You know when we're done? You're retarded! Car!
Here the cops. Uh-oh.
The metal kind of cut my hand. You know what? You know what? It's funny, huh?
Slithering. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
I think that was good. I think it's destroyed. You got me a little bit. I'm gonna patch that up.
Here's the results.
Yeah.
Today. A really rotting banana. Lots of destruction. Severed cord. We got some junk in a tree. And the fan.
Fan got what was coming.
Main frame. Over here.
I think it's 100% of it. Look what it did to my hand.
You got her horse in here.
Yeah.
So,
Success 100%, I'd say.
we destroyed it.
Yeah.
That's a cherry tree.
Yeah.